supposed to look like that. So it'll probably make the form to fit this.
Or one of these. Whatever's most convenient.
Just likely this one. So that I can splice in a new piece. This is also somewhere around 65 thousandths thick, which I think it's probably 14 gauge metal. And I don't have any. This was too thin. That was waste of time. This is that factory 19 gauge, I think. But it's only like 37 thousandths thick or so. And I need almost twice that. So this is just to Now this is going to make an interesting experiment for two reasons. One, to see how well I can clean the inside of the rocker panel out with this toilet brush. And number two, to check and see if my wife ever watches any of my videos. Because if she sees this, I will hear about it. So I've got this hole here that I can run wire in. I've got this hole. Oh, so doesn't that fit nice? Yeah. All right. So let's see if we can run some wire in this hole. This is aluminum wire. I wish I had some steel wire, but this will have to do. So I'm going to make a form to try and replicate that shape. form this with this wood. I'm using the end grain to make it even better for pounding on. There's those. Those still look supposed to look like that. So it'll probably make the form to fit this.
Or one of these. Whatever's most convenient.
Just like this one. So that I can splice in a new piece. This is also somewhere around 65 thousandths thick, which I think it's probably 14 gauge metal. And I don't have any. This was too thin. That was waste of time. This is factory 19 gauge, I think. But it's only like 37 thousandths thick or so. And I need almost twice that. So this is just too thick for that. It was plenty big. I probably could have got away without putting this on there, but I didn't want this to break out while I'm pounding on it. Because I thought this was going to be way up here. Maybe not. A little bit of this radius here probably needs to be shaped into this a little. Think that'll work? When the metal gets here. Friday. Pound out this shape. New steel. Splice it into the existing floor brace. May not be deep enough, but I can make it deeper. Actually, I know it's not deep enough, don't I? It's deep enough down here. Should only be a cutting wheel blade thickness between those. So really, that's not actually deep enough. According to that, it's too deep. According to this up in here, it's just right. So, when I said the angle was off, I think I overcorrected. And shift it this way and that, so I think we're going to be okay. I don't think I should whittle on it anymore until I start trying to form it.